Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Slow English. I am so happy you are here with me today. This is your safe place to slow down, listen carefully, and practice your English one small step at a time. Today, we are talking about something we all do. We are talking about your morning routine. A morning routine is everything you do after you wake up. It can be simple things like brushing your teeth or drinking coffee. By the end of this lesson, you will know new words for your morning and you will practice saying them out loud with me. Let's start simple. Every morning is a small story. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. The beginning is when you open your eyes. The middle is when you get ready. The end is when you walk out the door. Today, we will learn the words for this story. Let's look at some real examples from everyday life. First example. Maria wakes up at 7 o'clock. Her alarm clock rings and she opens her eyes slowly. She stretches her arms and sits up in bed. Second example. Tom gets out of bed and walks to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth. Then he takes a quick shower. The warm water helps him feel awake. Third example. After getting dressed, Sophia goes to the kitchen. She makes a cup of coffee and eats a piece of toast. She looks at the clock and says, I am in a hurry today. Do you see yourself in one of these stories? Maybe you are like Maria. Maybe you are like Tom. Maybe some days you are in a hurry like Sophia. That is completely normal. Now let's practice saying these ideas together. This is our shadowing practice. Listen to each line, then repeat it after me, slowly and clearly. I wake up. I wake up early. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I brush my teeth and wash my face before breakfast. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry this morning. I am in a hurry, so I eat breakfast quickly. Wonderful work. You are doing great. Let's slow down even more and practice one important word closely. Our word today is routine. Let's break it apart. Teen. Routine. Routine. It means the things you do again and again in the same order. Say it with me 3 times. Routine, routine, routine. Now let's practice one more word. Hurry, hur, hurry. It means to move fast because you do not have much time. Say it with me. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Great job. Now, let's listen to a short conversation between two friends, Anna and Sam, talking about their mornings.
Good morning, Sam. What time did you wake up today?
Hi Anna. I woke up at 6:30. I am always in a hurry in the morning.
Me too. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, just some toast and coffee. What about you?
I ate breakfast quickly, and then I brushed my teeth. Now I am ready for work.
Great. Let's go. We don't want to be late.
Nicely done listening to that conversation. Now, let's review our new vocabulary words together, one at a time. Number 1, wake up. This means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Number 2, alarm clock. This is a small clock or a phone sound that wakes you up. For example, my alarm clock rings at 6:30. Number 3, brush my teeth. This means to clean your teeth with a toothbrush. For example, I brush my teeth after breakfast. Number 4, get dressed. This means to put on your clothes. For example, I get dressed before I eat breakfast. Number 5, breakfast. This is the first meal of the day. For example, I eat breakfast in the kitchen. Number 6, Hurry. This means to move quickly because time is short. Say it slowly, hurry. For example, I am in a hurry, so I cannot talk long. Excellent work learning those words. Now it is time for our speaking challenge. These sentences are longer, so take your time. Repeat each one after me. Every morning, my alarm clock rings at 6:30 and I slowly open my eyes. Every morning, my alarm clock rings at 6:30 and I slowly open my eyes. After I wake up, I stretch my arms and then I sit up in bed. After I wake up, I stretch my arms and then I sit up in bed. I walk to the bathroom and I brush my teeth before I wash my face. I walk to the bathroom and I brush my teeth before I wash my face. I get dressed quickly because I do not want to be late for work. I get dressed quickly because I do not want to be late for work. In the kitchen, I make a cup of coffee and I eat a piece of toast. In the kitchen, I make a cup of coffee and I eat a piece of toast. Some mornings, I am in a hurry, so I eat my breakfast very quickly. Some mornings, I am in a hurry, so I eat my breakfast very quickly. Other mornings, I have more time, so I enjoy my coffee slowly. Other mornings, I have more time, so I enjoy my coffee slowly. A good morning routine can help you feel calm and ready for the day. A good morning routine can help you feel calm and ready for the day. You did wonderfully with those longer sentences. I am proud of you. Remember, every single word you practice today is one more step towards speaking English with confidence. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep practicing a little bit every day. Small steps repeated often become big progress over time. Thank you so much for practicing your morning routine English with me today. You are doing amazing work, and I am proud of every one of you. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Speak Slow English, and I will see you in the next lesson.